Instructing the class I find extremely gratifying. All those questions, all those hesitations, I can help them. And when you look at the room, I get excited. I see me. One of my very first sessions teaching infomercials, I tend to look down the list of people that are in the class. And one of the gentlemen that was in that night was Rob Delcourt, and he owns Multi-Menu Pet Foods.
Cinda probably does the best infomercials I've ever seen.
And I thought I would do something for him that evening.
What she said to me, basically one-on-one that day, was, Rob, you need to have more fun with it.
I wanted to bring a little sexy into the dog food market.
Put a little sexy into an infomercial, that seems new to me.
Whether it be humor or bringing in facts or shock value, there is something that you can bring to the table that you are comfortable with in introducing the world to your product.
Started basically thinking like a dog. What would a dog say in relation to their food, or getting things delivered, or having their breakfast on time? So I was able to play around with it, and it worked out great.
Thunderous applause from everyone in the room, and it is amazing to see people step out and try something different.
Taking Cinda's information or Cinda's guidance, I end up turning around and winning the B&I infomercial competition that same year, which is actually a couple of months after I took the course.
I won the previous year, and next year I'm coming back.